Hello students, myself Devesh Singh from LPL Public School. Once again you are most welcome students here in the online classes, as this time we are proceeding chapter first from history, and the chapter is French Revolution. Today in this video students you will get a lecture of related to this topic, Reign of Terror. Reign of Terror is also known as the आतंक का राज, भय का राज या आतंक का राज. In French Revolution, this period from 1793 to 1794. From 1793 to 1794 is referred as the Reign of Terror in the history of France. Why this is known as the Reign of Terror? As in the last video I had explained you about the name. The name was Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre is a name in the French history that is known as a very cruel person, a very cruel ruler of France, because he crossed all the limits of cruelty, brutality, and he only not behaved in a cruel way to his enemies. Even he also made them kill to his supporters and also to his followers, who started to raise a light voice against him. Now here, this period from 1793 to 1794 is known as the Reign of Terror, and Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment, because he followed a type of punishment to control over the people, and the type of punishment was definitely a very dangerous, and you can see that brutal. All those whom he saw as being enemies of the Republic, ex-nobles and clergy, members of other political parties, even members of his own party who didn't agree with his method, were arrested, imprisoned, and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal. First of all, he arrested to his enemies, and his enemies were especially ex-nobles and clergy, members of first and second estates. After that, he started to arrest the supporter of his own club, of his own Jacobin club, who had raised the voice against him. First of all, he made them imprisoned and arrested, and then made him imprisoned. Now, they tried by a revolutionary tribunal. A revolutionary tribunal means this was the policy of Robespierre, and he had made a tribunal and he claimed to all those people as revolutionary tribunal, because to arrest someone, to make someone guilty, they require some big cause to arrest them. So he followed such type of revolutionary tribunal movement against those people, and now the court found them guilty, This was also the trick of Robespierre. The court found them guilty, and then they were guillotined. जिसको भी कोर्ट में मुकदमा चलवा कर उसने गिल्टी अर्थात अपराधी क्रिमिनल घोषित करवा दिया और फिर उन सारे लोगों को गिल्टाइन करवा दिया। अब गिल्टाइन क्या है, हमने देखिए यहाँ पे मेंशन किया है गिल्टाइन है क्या। देयर वाज अ मैन नेम डॉक्टर गुलिटिन। डॉक्टर गुलिटिन created a device. He invented a device. This device name is guillotine, and this is a figure of this device. You can see here someone's head kept here between this device, and after that it was moved and the person was beheaded at that time. तो ये उसकी बहुत ही एक डेंजरस और क्रूअल उसकी शासनकाल था, जिसमें डॉक्टर गुलिटिन से इस ऐसे डिवाइस का उसने इन्वेंशन करा करके और जो भी लोगों को वो चाहता था उसको गिल्टी साबित करवा करके और उस डिवाइस से उनके गला को कटवा देता था, और इस प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है गिल्टाइन। This is known as the guillotine in the French history, especially belong to the topic the reign of terror. Okay, now the Robespierre's government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed. Means he maintained the cost of the things, the basic things and all the things, and maximum selling prices. So there was not a big difference between the bread and meat. And at that time, when he increased the limit of basic requirements, increased the limit of other things, at that time there was no difference between meat, bread and ration. Everything was similar in his reign. So this was a big problem for the peasants, as peasants also had no communication to sell their grains. So they carry the grains to the cities, and after that they sell in the cities. But this process was very different for them, because the price was fixed by the government at that time. The price was fixed by government at that time, and the price was not in the favor of the peasants at that time. Okay, now at that time the equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Means there was no pressure, there was no matter that who crossing the limit of addressing, crossing the limit of speech. There was no rules regulation for anyone. Only such type of equality was maintained by them to make happy the big population of the third state. So the supporter of Robespierre started to look also anger at that time, and they also decided to raise their voice against him, so that there will be another ruler there. Now the Robespierre's policies was now looking towards end. The Jacobin club's members also started to raise their voices. Once again, a small revolt started against him, and everyone now knocked the door of judiciary, and now judiciary took action at that time, and then the court convicted in July 1794 him criminal, very cruel king, and in July 1794 finally he was arrested, and just after this day when he was arrested, he was also guillotined by the same device which he used for the common people. विच ही यूज फॉर द कॉमन, मीन्स जो डिवाइस बाकी आम जनता के लिए यूज करता था, उनके गले को अब बेहेडेड कराने के लिए, अलग करवाने के लिए, उसी डिवाइस से कोर्ट के आदेश पर खुद जिस दिन वो अरेस्ट हुआ उसी के अगले दिन उसकी खुद की गला को काट दिया गया। और इस तरह से फाइनली इन जुलाई 1794 द big and this cruel dictator Robespierre's reign was ended in the history of France, and this cruel period is known as the reign of terror, as he had crossed all the limits of cruelty in the French society. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये रेन ऑफ टेरर हमने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया। दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हियर, द रेन ऑफ टेरर, एंड इन द एग्जामिनेशन often it is asked, so you have to remember it, you have to revise this point many times so that you could write it very properly in your exam. Now you will also write it in your copy so that it could be checked. Okay.